Hi, Seahorse friends. It's Teacher Kristi. I'm going to read one of your favorite books. This is Fire Engine Man by Andrea Zimmerman and David Clemesha. This is a fire engine, also called a fire truck. Two words that mean the same thing. See that? I love fire engines. Look at that. He's playing with his fire engine. And there's his little brother. How many fire engine people can we find? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, and we have 5. What is he in? A helicopter. Can you find the astronaut? You're right, there he is. And where is his rocket ship? Or spaceship? There it is. I love to squirt down fires. I'm going to be a fire engine person. Who's going into the little house? That's his little brother. I'm going to wear my special clothes that are going to protect me. What am I going to put on my head? A hat. And my legs and my arms? I'm going to put on pants and a jacket. And what am I going to put on my feet? Boots! They will protect me from the fire. I'm going to drive my very own fire engine truck. It is going to have loud sounds. Nee-nor, nee-nor, nee-nor. And flashing lights. That's what is going to be flashing the lights. My brother can see me too. As I drive by, can you wave? Hi, little brother. Who's he with? Who's he with? Oops. He is with Mommy and Daddy. There are friends in the background playing at the park. We don't have parks to play on right now, but we will again. I will hook up my hose and I will help to put the fire out. I'm going to spray water. Hurry, hurry, spray the water. Hurry, hurry, spray the water. Hurry, hurry, spray the water. Ding, 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 ding. When I am done, I'm going to drive back to the station. I know, you always say, what's that? It's the helicopter! Slowly, slowly back to the station. Slowly, slowly back to the station. Slowly, slowly back to the station. Ding, 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 ding. When I am at the fire station, I will have more work to do. What is he doing? Hurry, hurry, wash the fire truck. Hurry, hurry, wash the fire truck. Hurry, hurry, wash the fire truck. Get it nice and clean. Ding, 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 ding. Look, my brother can visit me there. He can sit in the fire truck too, in his car seat. He will be safe. At the firehouse, I can show him where I make a snack. And then I can show him where I take a nap. Uh-oh, if the alarm rings, ding, 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 what am I going to do? I'm going to slide down the pole and jump into the fire truck. Hurry, hurry, drive the fire truck. Hurry, hurry, drive the fire truck. Hurry, hurry, drive the fire truck. Ding, 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 ding. I will squirt out all the fires when I am a fire engine person. What is he spraying? Water. Who's looking out the window? It's Mommy and his little brother. Hello. When my brother gets bigger, he can help. He can be a fire engine person too. Oh, look, he's reading the book to his little brother.